Ever feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of thoughts? Meet Mindrift.ea, your new creative companion that turns your mind's drift into actionable insights. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ea is here to help you navigate the currents of the creativity. Let's draft and discover together. So hi guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you step by step how you can earn money with Mindrift.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Mindrift.ea. So this is the homepage. You have your various information. The first one you have here AI tutors. So if you are a writer, all you have to do is click over writer. Also if you are a editor, click over editor. And the last one is domain expert. We have here annotators, resources like blog, fake, and we have here about us. Then we have log in and apply now if you want to start. But before that, let's know what is Mindrift. So Mindrift is a community of experts dedicated to generating high quality data for improving AI, composed of AI tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence. We leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative AI models. Then all you have to do is come back and know other information about Mindrift. So here also we have fake here. So if you want to know more information or the question with answers, we have here various questions. Also we have a payments and schedule requirement. Then annotators here we have other things, so all I have to do is read it to more understand. In the home page we have here join the art improving AI, get paid to write, edit or annotate content for AI on the platform built for humans with complete time and location flexibility. So if we scroll down we have other things like priorities, roles, start earning faster. So and then we have the benefits of Mindrift. Why should you try it? The first, the flexibility. The flexible working approach is a game changer and fits in perfectly with my career. Then we have great community. I like the community, especially the leads and editors I work with. They are already kind and helpful. Then the last one is get paid frequently. To be honest, the pay rate is high in comparison to other platforms. Also we have here fake, like about Mindrift. We have here the definition of Mindrift, then other information. Also we have getting start here, like the question and answers for each question. Then we have also qualification and payment, then hours, how much, and other things. So then if let's learn more and apply to join. So if you are a writer, all I have to do is click over here, apply as a writer, become an AI tutor, get a head start in the job market of tomorrow. So first of all, you write your first name, then your last name, email address, phone number, country, LinkedIn profile, and personal website. Then if you are agree, all you have to do is click over those things and then submit application. So to earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ea, you can leverage the platform's features to enhance your writing process, generate ideas, and streamline content creation. Here are some specific ways you can monetize your writing skills. The first one is content creation and freelance writing, like article and blog posts and ghost writing also. Then we have self-publishing like ebooks, courses and guides. Then the third one we have copywriting and marketing content like ad copy and sales pages or content marketing. Then we have the fourth one is creative writing like fiction and poetry or script writing. Then we have the fifth one is affiliate marketing and sponsored content like affiliate reviews, sponsored content, and the last one is editing and proofreading areas for improvement. So that's it with writer. So then we have here editor and you click over apply now and you get started. We have apply as editor, earn money editing, diverse content to advance EA, enjoy a flexible schedule while getting ready for the world of tomorrow. So the first one, thank you have to write your first name, the last name, email, then phone number, country, and LinkedIn profile, personal website. Then you click over those things if you are agree. The first one have I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. Then the second one I have I confirm that I have read and understood the Mindrift privacy notice. They give Mindrift my content to be processing all of my personal data for the purpose of invitation users to apply. Then you submit the application and you start earning money. But as an editor, you can use Mindrift.ai to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflow. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift.ai. So let's come back here. So the first one is freelance editing services like copy editing, developmental editing also, and the second one we have content review and feedback like manuscript review, and the third one we have editorial consulting like author coaching and content strategy consulting. The fourth one we have content creation and management like creating and ontologies and managing editorial projects. And the fifth one is educational services like editing guides and ebooks. And the last one is affiliate marketing and partnership like promoting tools and services. Then we have here domain expert. So we click offer domain expert. Here we have apply this domain expert, earn money to advance AI writing in your area of expertise. Enjoy a flexible schedule with no AA experience needed. And we have here first name, last name, email address, phone number, country, linked profile, personal website, and you click over those things. If you are agree, then you submit application. So, as a domain expert, you have specialized knowledge in a particular field, and there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. So, the first one we have consulting and advisory services consulting. Then the second one we have content creation and publishing, writing articles and books, for example, and online courses and workshops also. And the third one we have speaking and engagement and webinars like public speaking, webinars and online events also. Then we have the fourth one is expert witness and legal consulting like expert witness. Then the fifth one we have coaching and mentoring like one-on-one coaching and group coaching and mastermind. Then we have develop and sell specialist products like proprietary tools and resources specialist and memberships sites and subscription. Then we have affiliate marketing and sponsorship like product review and endorsement. The last one is academic and research opportunities like teaching and academic and also grant and funding. So that's it of domain experts and the street tutors for like writer, editor, and domain expert. So with Mindrift.ai you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.